Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to reveal to you how you can add users and team members to your workspace on ClickUp. So let's get right into it. In the first step, log into your account on ClickUp, for example via your web browser or through the ClickUp desktop application. And after that, select your workspace here in the top left corner. I will go with that workspace here for demonstration purposes. And what you want to do next, guys, before you assign tasks and create your first projects and to-do lists, is you may consider inviting other team members and users to join your workspace and to help you in your tasks. So you can do that by clicking on that invite button in the bottom left corner of the screen, and simply by submitting your invited person's or contact's email address here where it says invite by email. And once that's done, guys, you will also be asked to assign a role to the invited person. Like, for example, you can assign a member role. Members gain access to public spaces, docs, and dashboards, or to assign an admin role, and admins are given the permission to manage workspaces, to manage teams, people, billings, and other workspace settings. So that's totally up to you, and simply confirm your invitation by clicking on that button here and wait for your contact to either accept or decline the invitation. That's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.